What is the difference between general and specific intent? Have you ever wondered how the law differentiates between two types of intent? Understanding the difference between general and specific intent is essential for anyone preparing for the multi-state bar examination, especially in the area of criminal law. Let's break it down in simple terms. General intent refers to the mental state of a person who intends to commit a criminal act. This means that the individual meant to do the act itself, but they may not have had a specific outcome in mind. For example, if someone punches another person, they intended to hit them, but they might not have thought about the exact consequences of that action. In general intent crimes, the focus is on whether the person intended to perform the act, not necessarily what happened as a result. On the other hand, specific intent involves a higher level of purpose. In this case, the individual not only intended to commit the act but also had a particular goal or outcome they wanted to achieve. For instance, in a burglary case, the prosecution must show that the person entered a building unlawfully with the specific intention of committing theft or another felony inside. This distinction is important because specific intent crimes often carry harsher penalties due to the deliberate nature of the actions. Now, why does this matter for your bar exam preparation? Questions on the multi-state bar examination frequently test your ability to distinguish between general and specific intent. Understanding these concepts can help you analyze scenarios presented in exam questions. For example, you might be asked to determine if a defendant acted with general or specific intent based on a given situation. To prepare effectively, practice identifying examples of each type of intent in various criminal law scenarios. This will not only help you answer exam questions accurately but also deepen your understanding of how intent affects criminal liability. In summary, general intent is about the intention to perform an act, while specific intent requires a particular purpose behind that act. Knowing the difference can significantly impact your performance on the bar exam, so make sure to study these concepts thoroughly.